Gladys.
Oh, now she's on the tip anymore.
That's what she said.
No, see, stop the video. Stop the video.
Gladys, you're weird.
You see the tongue?
From this angle, it looks like her mouth crease right there.
You see the tongue sticking out? There it is.
She does this all by herself, by the way, so whoever comments on this, we didn't do it to her. She loves being in the pillow. Oh, she's getting licked by her mommy. Fiona, you're ruining the video. I love you, but you're ruining the video.
She's trying to bite.
Is she?
Yeah, she's like chewing on my chin.
It's funny from this angle. Oh, and Fiona's trying to eat my food while I'm sidetracked. Stop it, Fiona. You little bitch. She's licking my dinner. She's licking the plate. She's eating pasta. Gladys, do you want out of the pillow?
Come on,
get out of the pillow?
Get out.
You can see her fucking face. Gladys.
Oh, now she's pulling it away from her. Oh, nope, she's going for
likes
you.
It. Uh-oh, I'm getting bit.
She just comes to a different part of the pillow. Meep, meep, meep.
Gladys, what are you doing in the pillow?
What is this? I just said meep, 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 meep.
Go.
What was that? What is that?
How fast can you get out of the pillow?
No, she can't get out. She's freaking out.
What was that, Gladys? Go get it.
Come on, let's go.
She's gonna take the fucking pillow. Gladys, what was that?
Oh, she's getting all tied up. You're going the wrong way.
Gladys, what was that?
What is it?
Go get it.
She's gonna break the pillowcase. She really is.
Oh, I think she's getting her way out. Gladys, look at... Hey, Javi, leave your sister alone. Gladys, yay!